Hey, it's Buck with CNH Precision Weapons in Richmond Hill, Georgia. We're just getting back from the Kestrel Fall Classic held at Altus in Baker, Florida. Great match, great staff, amazing food, and a ton of extraordinary shooters from across the country show up every spring and every fall. Glad I shot the match, got to say hi to a lot of great friends, and guess what? I came home yet again with a tactical division win and a 5th place overall finish against some great shooters. Now, what allows me and the other members of my team, which that makes, I believe, the 14th tactical title for us as a team as a whole. What allows us to perform at the highest level? The secret recipe is right here, folks. Factory Federal Premium Match Grade Ammo. We do not have a second hobby of reloading. Dirty secret, precision rifle shooting itself is a hobby. Some of us do it professionally, but for most people, it's a hobby. Reloading is a completely separate hobby. Those two kind of sort of go together, but one impedes on the other. I prefer to spend my spare time on the range practicing or goofing around, getting better, and not spending it in the reloading room. So, go try some of this. Whether it's in 308, 6.5 Creedmoor, 6 Creedmoor, you owe it to yourself to give this a try, and it will allow you to be extremely competitive at a very, very high level at any national match. This weekend, I believe I missed a total of 43 targets total over 2 days out of 200 rounds. Not one single round can I blame on my ammo. It was me making a bad wind call, me breaking a shot when I wasn't on plate. It was all me, folks. It wasn't the ammo. So if this ammo can allow members of my team and I to perform at a high level, it can do the same for you. You owe it to yourself to give it a try. Why? I have a dirty little secret. Probably the second one of this video. Hashtag reloading sucks. So shoot more, suck less. See you at the range. Boom.